welcome back. It is Monday for me, but this is a trade recap of last Thursday, the day before CPI. I did not trade CPI, but I did catch some trades while I was in and out of the airport. Right now, a little update. Right now, I'm in Japan. I'm staying with my girlfriend. I'm gonna be here for about 3 months, so this is the new setting. Obviously, I'm not gonna show everything, but maybe at some point I'll like show some videos, or if you wanna, I don't know, maybe I'll post something on my Instagram. I don't know, who knows. But anyway, back to the trade recap. Yeah, this is last Thursday. I ended up catching 3 trades. So let's get right into it. If I'm, and all of this is off the dome, so if I forget something, I'm sorry. But coming into Thursday, I was able to finally hop on the charts. I was on a flight, and then I landed at, and I was getting on a connecting flight, but I had a layover. So during the layover, I was able to actually trade after 10 Eastern time. So coming into market open, I saw just like the normal things I usually see: liquidity sweeps, what are we delivering from, and what are we respecting slash disrespecting. I saw we swept this overnight, and had really nice rejection wicks here. This was also inside of a 1 hour. So I'm like, okay, we are delivering from sell side. Maybe we want to retrace and take out this buy side, and then continue even lower and take out sell side, because I know we do have some sell side objectives. But at the same time, there was still like all this trend line slash relative equal highs slash all-time highs that we had been just kind of blatantly ignoring for like a week or so. So it made sense to be bullish here. And what really made me super bullish was I knew once we closed above this high, this aggressive, then I knew at the very least, our real target was this high. Like usually these types of closes are signs that tell you, okay, we closed over this high rather than just sweeping it. Now, what could be the next target higher? Because that's a pretty aggressive close. So I thought, okay, well, this makes sense. But first, another thing I realized was at market open, which was this candle here, we did nothing but pump for almost 200 points. So I figured, I mean, in a normal market condition with good price action and whatnot, you would want some sort of a retracement so that you can get in a little bit lower, right? So my first trade, I think, was actually coming out of, now I have to remember what I did. It was coming out of something. It was a short. Yeah, I don't know. But it was delivering off of this buy side here, and I saw we were starting to get some momentum downwards. We had a 3-minute market structure shift here. But my main target was this 15-minute right here. Boom. And the reason for this is, well, a couple. One, I wanted to see us retrace to at least around equilibrium, which would be the 0.5 of the range right here. Then I also wanted to see us tap into a PD ray or a key zone, or area of interest that could then project us further upwards. So coming into this was what the heck? This was around the time that I hopped on the charts. It was like just around here or something. It was like at the peak of this, and I was like, okay, I'll just take a relatively higher time frame inversion. The reason that I took this was I knew that if I was right on this, the draw would be this 15-minute or equilibrium of the range. So I didn't really care about holding a position or like anything. I just wanted to kind of get in, and because we were already kind of close. Stop at the above the PD array, targeting this, and this was my, I think I targeted 1-to-1 here. This was my first trade, 3-minute inversion, and we tapped the 15-minute. And then my second trade, my second two trades were both 30-second trades. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I took this long right here. Boom, like this 30-second right here to these relative equal highs. And then I also took, what did I take? Oh, I think I took this trade right here to these highs. So I took this 30-second inversion right here because we had a little retracement. Come on, bro. We had a retracement. Oh my god. Stop. Retracement. There's probably like I think it was 2 minute. There was probably, I think it was a 2-minute BISI right here. We retraced into that, swept out the sell side, and we had good momentum upwards. Wait, what am I thinking? That's not the right spot. Bear with me, guys. What am I thinking? I don't know. I can't remember. I lost it. But there was more of a reason. I mean, obviously this is a continuation, but we did do something else. I think we tapped into something here that I'm just not remembering correctly. But anyways, the play of the day was, like, had I not been in and out of the airport, I would have waited for this 15-minute to be tapped, or 0.5 of the range, and then I would have taken the highest time frame inversion in this leg, which turned out to be the 30-second, which you can see when I go to the 1 minute here. This leg doesn't have anything until here, so I was able to get in a lot earlier, capitalize on targeting these equal highs with the 30-second here. What? But yeah, I mean, pretty clean day actually. I mean, I called out, I was talking in my Discord with one of the members, and we were chopping it up, but yeah, it pretty much did everything I thought it was going to do today. So I was happy with the way I read the market and happy with my executions. Just trying to remember if I'm think of if I'm forgetting anything, but I don't think I am. I took 3 trades. Yeah, really clean day, just kind of textbook day, honestly. So, I mean, yeah, I think that's all I got. I apologize for the brain fog. I honestly haven't thought about the charts in a couple days. So, but yeah, that's about it, I think, for the trade recap. Today's Monday for me. Let's see. Monday, it's weird because now on Mondays, there's no trading. Market opened at 7 a.m. for me, but that was Sunday open, so PM or Asia, whatever. And then, so the market actually opens for me tomorrow because right now it's only Sunday in America. But I will be trading tomorrow most likely. Let's see. Ooh. Absolutely no news. So maybe I won't be trading tomorrow. I mean, I'll hop on and see how it is, but likely I'm not going to take a trade tomorrow, which means there probably won't be a video. Tuesday, yeah, I'll definitely be on. Looks like the rest of the week I'll be on for sure. So you can probably expect 3 to 4 videos coming out this week from me. And then what else? Oh yeah, sitting at just under 2K on the evaluation. And yeah, let's fucking pass this shit, guys. I've been trying to pass this shit for a while. Just trying to maintain like good habits and get better each day. Same stuff, honestly. Same stuff every day. But yeah, otherwise, just really clean day. Swept by side, rebalance equilibrium as well as a key level. From there, we look for continuation plays up to the real target, and it looked like the real target was on the higher time frame. All of this buy side as well as equal high or all-time highs. And then Friday, I didn't even trade Friday, but I was looking at it the other day, and there was nothing that really looked good. I mean, the only thing that looked good on Friday was maybe in here somewhere. We swept this here and then had really good momentum upwards coming out of open. But honestly, I wouldn't have taken this because it's way too early. And there's no like actual guarantee that we're not just going to like sweep this here and then just like plummet downwards. So usually for data highs and lows, if they're both still intact, I like to wait for one of the two to get hit first and then target the opposite. But it looks like here, once we hit this data high, there really wasn't even anything, like maybe here somewhere, but I would have taken the highest time frame and it probably wouldn't have inverted there. Yeah, no, there's nothing even there. So I probably wouldn't have taken anything on Friday. It just does not look like it was very good. And then new week open, fucking fat new week open. So definitely gonna be keeping an eye on this. But yeah, other than that, guys, I really don't have anything else for you. Sorry, this video is kind of scrambled. My mind is pretty scrambled all over the place right now. But anyways, I'm gonna mark this out and then I will let you guys go, because that's really all I got for you. I hope you guys had a good week, and I'm sorry that I'm posting this a couple days late, but stuff happens, and now I'm in Japan. So honestly, like, yes, trading is one of my biggest priorities, but also like enjoying my time here and whatnot is gonna be super fun. So I have a lot more going on than I normally would if I were just in America right now, because this is a lot different. So anyways, enough yapping. I'm yapping your guys' ears off 100% right now. But I appreciate you guys. As always, thank you for watching. I'm going to upload this, and then I will see you guys probably Tuesday. Just because Monday has absolutely no news, and we're at all-time highs. So things are probably really improbable. And yeah. Anyways. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. I'll see you Tuesday. Probably don't trade tomorrow. Just FYI, just probably don't do that. Okay. All right. Peace.